Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the month of December and how it will move in this particular month of January 2024. If you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen since 2 months, it is trying to go down. As you can see, red candles are forming. Okay, it has already made a high of around $25.9. Okay, and now it has made a low of around 22.7. This is the low what we have seen in 2 months. This was the range where the price was moving. If you look at the price of silver, what we have seen, there are two patterns are forming, and this pattern shows that there is a higher chances that we can see if the price started going below a level of $22.7, chances will be high that we can see it will fall further down towards 22.4 and a probability of going towards a level of 21.9, and then it can go below a level of 21 and can touch a level of 20.8 to a level of 20.5. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, second, what you can see that if you look at from the month of September first week, we will see that there is a narrow pattern forming. Okay, so chances can be high that if the price started going above a level of 24.5, then there is a higher chances that it can break this particular zone, and yes, a probability of going a level of around 22 $25.5 will be there, and from there it will cross this level and go further upside. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see this is the pattern. So probability, what you can see that there is a higher chances that once the price started sustaining of 24.5, there is a higher chance of crossing 25, and then we can see it can touch a level of 27 also and further upside. This is what we can see looking at the charts. Now after pandemic, what we have seen, there was a continuous upside in most of the stocks as well as commodities we have seen, because the lockdown was started going out, and then we have seen that the price was of any commodities were going upside. Mostly silver moves in a zone. Okay, as soon as the zone breakout happens, we have seen an upside. Now it is in this particular zone. So once this zone breakout happens, so that means if it started going below a level of $22, we will see a further fall, and this pattern will also support it. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the month of January 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is a U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall, so chances will be very high that if the price started going up 24.5, we will see this particular pattern will sustain, and yes, a probability of going towards 25.5 will be there, and then it will cross a level of around 26. Okay, but if the price started moving below a level of around $22.4, we will see it will go further low, because this pattern will support. Okay, and if it started going above a level of 24.5, this pattern will support, and before that this pattern will support. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Now let's see if the price support this level. Probability is less, okay, that it will go upside. Okay, because we have seen there is a continuous downfall from 2 months. Suppose if the price sustain, I will tell you if the price not sustain after this. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of around $23.5. Okay, after crossing a level of 22.3. Okay, once the price started this sustaining a level of 23.053, we will see a level of $23.3. After that it will sustain a level of 23.5. If the price started moving up that level, we will see it will go further upside, and yes, a probability of going towards a level of 23.9 we can see, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and yes, we will see it will go above a level of around $24.5. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that the price started sustaining above this level. We will see it will touch a level of 23.7, and from there a probability of going towards $24.5. This $24.5 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high we will see it will cross that level and it will touch a level of 25. Okay, and this 25 is also being a weak resistance, so chances are high we will see it will cross that level and it will touch a level of around $25.8, and from there a further upside it will cross a level of $26, because that level is also being a weak resistance. So again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, we will see it will cross a level of $24.3 after sustaining a level of around 23.8, and from there it will cross a level of around $25.1. After crossing a level of 25, we will see a level of around 25.8, and once it started sustaining this level, it will cross this level, because this is also being a weak resistance. So we will see it will cross that level, and then it will go above a level of 26.2, because that level are also being tested 2-3 times. So we can see a further upside towards a level of $27. Okay, if the price sustain above 27, a further upside movement we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it can go further high. As soon as the price started going up $26, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Now understand something. See, market is always uncertain, so you have to understand that the market is uncertain, so have to SL, put your SL, so it will save your capital. Okay, and you have to trail your SL so that your profit can be saved. If you are doing these two things, you will sustain for a longer period of time, and you can make a good profit of it. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $22.73. Okay, and if it started going below this level, we will see it will go towards a level of around 22.471. Okay, and once the price started falling below a level of 22.471, further downfall we can see towards a level of $21.961, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $21.216. Okay, once the price started moving below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of $20.814 is there, and if the price started moving below this level, we can see it will touch a level of $20, because there will be a continuous fall we can see, and once started going with 20.8, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $20.8 to a level of $20 also we can see. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that once the price started falling below 22.4, we will see it can touch a level of $20 also, and from there a probability of going towards a level of around 19.5 to a level of around $18.8. Okay, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and once the price started falling below this level, we can see there will be a zone breakout, so chances are very high that it will cross a level of 18.5, and once it crosses the level of 18.5, we will see it will move below a level of $18.1 also, because that level is also being a weak support, so chances of going further down we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.